It's Nick, and today we're reverse searing pork chops. I'm starting to dry brine my pork chops. I have 2 rib chops cut at 1 inch thick, and you can use any type of pork chop, but make sure they're at least 1 inch thick. Dry brining means I'm putting lots of salt on the outside and refrigerating for 1 to 24 hours. This can get us extra flavor and juiciness. Skip this step if you're in a time crunch. After sitting, you can see the salt's absorbed into the pork. This is where the reverse sear starts. Put the chops into a 250-degree oven and bake for 25 minutes. Once they come out, they're almost cooked and look really unappetizing, so it's time to sear them instead of searing then baking. Put vegetable oil in a skillet, get it nice and hot. Then you'll hear this sound. I love that sound. Sear the pork chops for about a minute, then flip them over, and it's time to add some flavor. Add in butter, crushed garlic, and thyme. Let that cook a little bit, then baste the pork chops with the butter mixture. Put the garlic and some thyme on top of the chops and rub that on top too. Keep flipping the chops so that they cook evenly and get a nice sear on all sides, basting them the entire time. Also, make sure to sear the edges to render down that fat. You're going to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side till everything's nice and browned. Keep the heat nice and high. It's now time to serve these delicious chops. I served with some roasted Brussels sprouts and a fresh tomato salad. Really worked well together. Spoon some of the pan sauce over your chops, then also I put some fresh thyme on top. It was really quite delicious. Hope you like this recipe, and enjoy, everybody.